Have you ever considered the humble plum as a powerhouse of health? Often overshadowed by more exotic fruits, plums hold a treasure trove of benefits, especially when it comes to heart health. These small, vibrant fruits are not only delicious, but are packed with nutrients that can significantly improve your cardiovascular wellness. It's time we shine a spotlight on how this everyday fruit can contribute to a robust heart. Plums are incredibly versatile in culinary uses, ranging from fresh snacks to compotes, which makes them an excellent addition to any diet. But beyond their versatility and sweet, tart flavor, plums are emerging as a crucial player in preventive healthcare. Recent studies have begun to unveil just how potent these fruits can be in combating heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. This brings a whole new level of importance to this unassuming fruit. Integrating fruits like plums into our daily diet is not just about enjoying their taste, but about harnessing their health benefits. As we delve deeper into the scientific studies, we will explore the specific impacts of plums on heart health. This will not only broaden our understanding, but also encourage us to make more informed choices about our daily nutrition. Keep reading to uncover the secrets held within these juicy fruits and how they can help sustain a healthy heart. Recent research has highlighted the significant impact that plums can have on maintaining and enhancing heart health. A study conducted by the University of California found that plums contain high levels of antioxidants which help reduce inflammation, a major culprit behind cardiovascular diseases. These findings are encouraging, suggesting that regular consumption of plums could potentially lower the risk of heart-related issues. Another key discovery from this research is the role of plums in lowering cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber in plums helps to reduce the absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream, thereby helping to maintain a healthy heart. This is particularly beneficial for those at risk of coronary artery disease. Furthermore, the potassium found in plums aids in managing blood pressure levels, adding another layer of protection against heart attacks and strokes. Plums also contain unique phytonutrients that help in reducing blood sugar levels, which is directly linked to heart health. High blood sugar can lead to vascular damage and is a significant risk factor for heart disease. By helping to regulate blood sugar, plums not only support heart health, but also prevent other related health complications. This multifaceted approach to heart health makes plums a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. With these scientific insights, it becomes clear that incorporating plums into our diet could be a simple yet effective way to protect our heart health. The evidence supports the role of plums in cardiovascular wellness, making them a must-have in our daily nutrition plan. By the way, if you're interested in health products, we've compiled a list of our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below. Plums are rich in several key nutrients that play a crucial role in heart health. One of the standout features of plums is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants like vitamin C and phenolics combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are both linked to heart disease. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, these antioxidants protect the heart and the vascular system, ensuring better overall heart health. In addition to antioxidants, plums are a good source of potassium. This mineral is essential for maintaining proper heart function by helping to regulate heart rate and blood pressure. A diet rich in potassium can help prevent the onset of cardiovascular problems by keeping blood pressure levels stable. This is crucial for minimizing the risk of stroke and heart attack, which are often associated with high blood pressure. Dietary fiber is another important component found in plums. Fiber aids in digestion and helps in the regulation of cholesterol levels by binding with cholesterol particles and removing them from the body. This process helps to keep the arteries clear and reduces the risk of heart disease. Moreover, plums have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels that can be harmful to the heart. Vitamin K, also present in plums, supports heart health by preventing calcium buildup in the arteries, reducing the risk of arteriosclerosis. Each nutrient in plums works synergistically to enhance heart health, proving that this fruit is more than just a sweet treat. Section 4. Incorporating plums into your diet. Adding plums to your diet is a delightful and beneficial way to boost heart health. Start by enjoying plums as a fresh, juicy snack between meals. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect alternative to sugary snacks, providing a healthful boost without the added calories. You can also slice plums and add them to your morning cereal or yogurt for a burst of flavor and nutrients. For those who enjoy cooking, plums offer great versatility. They can be baked into desserts, cooked into sauces, or even added to savory dishes like salads and stews. Experimenting with plums in different recipes not only enhances the flavor of your meals, but also increases your intake of heart-healthy nutrients. Moreover, dried plums or prunes can be a handy and healthy snack option, especially for those on the go. Another creative way to incorporate plums into your diet is by making plum smoothies. Blend fresh plums with other fruits, some yogurt, and a bit of honey for a delicious and nutritious drink. This not only makes for a refreshing beverage, but also helps you consume a variety of nutrients beneficial for heart health. Remember, consistency is key, so try to include plums in your diet regularly to reap their full health benefits. With these simple and tasty options, integrating plums into your daily diet can be both enjoyable and beneficial for your heart. Whether eaten fresh or included in various dishes, plums can make a significant difference in your cardiovascular health. Section 5. Warnings and precautions. While plums are generally safe and beneficial for most people, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. First, plums contain oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones, it might be wise to moderate your intake of plums and consult with your healthcare provider. For those who are sensitive to fruits with high sorbitol content, such as plums, excessive consumption can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. It is important to introduce plums into the diet gradually and observe how your body reacts. Additionally, individuals taking blood thinners should be wary of vitamin K levels in plums, as this vitamin can affect the efficacy of the medication. Always consider your personal health conditions and dietary needs when incorporating new foods into your diet. If you are unsure about the effects of plums on your health, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health status and nutritional needs. In conclusion, while plums offer numerous health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation and with awareness of one's individual health circumstances. By doing so, you can enjoy all the benefits plums have to offer without any adverse effects. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace a heart-healthy lifestyle. Embracing a heart-healthy lifestyle is essential for maintaining overall wellness and longevity. Incorporating plums into your diet is a simple, tasty, and effective way to contribute to heart health. The benefits of plums, from reducing cholesterol and blood pressure to fighting inflammation, make them an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their cardiovascular health. As you continue to make informed choices about your diet and lifestyle, remember that small changes can make a significant impact. Adding plums to your dietary repertoire is just one of the many steps you can take towards a healthier heart. Let the versatility and benefits of plums inspire you to explore new and delicious ways to improve your health. Take this knowledge forward and make heart health a priority in your daily life, knowing that each step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Let the power of plums be a part of your journey to a robust and vibrant heart. Subscribe to our channel, comment and like for more health tips and delicious recipes. Don't forget to check our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below.